Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of preventing everyone from looking you up with your email address on Facebook using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your privacy and control who can find you. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Facebook profile. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy below your profile photo. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the settings page for your Facebook account. Step 5. Click on Privacy from the left-hand side menu. Step 6. Locate the section labeled Who Can Look You Up using the email address you provided and click on Edit next to it. Step 7. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on it to open the options. Step 8. Finally, select Only Me from the available options. This will ensure that only you can be found using the email address you provided. By following these steps, you can take control of your privacy on Facebook and prevent others from looking you up with your email address. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.